My wife has been diagnosed with diabetes for the past 5 years, and then it also affected her eyesight. So we went to eye specialists in Fiji, and they recommended that it cannot be treated locally. Thank you. My name is Andrew Gyo, and this is my wife, Eva Merritt. We come all the way from Fiji. My wife has been diagnosed with diabetes for the past 5 years, and then it also affected her eyesight. So we went to eye specialists in Fiji, and they recommended that it cannot be treated locally, that we have to find a VR specialist. And our union, who looks after the welfare of the teachers, they recommended to us that we come overseas. They organized everything, and they dealt with the Medivisor, who happened to send us here. We are thankful to Medivisor for all the arrangements made and for my wife to be able to be treated here in India. We thank the specialist at Sharp Eye Hospital for the treatment given to my wife while she was treated there. So far it has been good. She was diagnosed that she needed to have operations, that she has cataract infection and also retina. So she underwent 2 operations. In fact, they earlier dealt with cataract for both the left and the right eye, and then the operations for the retina for the left and also for the right eye. And for the Medivisor team, I thank them for everything, for the support rendered to us during our stay here. But we are hoping that everything should be fine for my wife before we leave on Friday.